Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn extreme programming, also called XP. We will explain what it is, why it is called extreme, the 5 core values, and the 12 primary practices. Think of XP like a smart way for a team to build a house quickly, but still make it high quality. The team works together, checks their work often, and keeps improving the design. First, XP builds software in small steps. Instead of one huge delivery, the team builds tiny features, shows them to the customer, gets feedback, and moves to the next step. Second, XP uses pair programming. 2 people share one computer. The driver types. The navigator watches for mistakes and thinks ahead. Third, XP uses test-first programming. First, write a test. It fails. Second, write just enough code to pass. Third, clean up the code. XP is built on 5 core values: communication, simplicity, feedback, courage, and respect. XP also emphasizes constant cleaning. This is called refactoring. The behavior stays the same, but the code becomes clean and easy to change. It is called extreme because it turns good practices all the way up. If testing is good, XP tests all the time. If feedback is good, XP puts the customer right next to the team. Now let's list and explain the 12 primary practices of XP. We will show them and explain each one briefly. Practice 1, the planning game. The team and customer use small user stories to decide what to build next. Practice 2, small releases. The team ships often so the customer can see progress. Practice 3, system metaphor. The team uses a simple story to explain the system. Practice 4, simple design. Build only what is needed now. Practice 5, continuous testing. Tests are written before code. Practice 6, refactoring. Keep the code clean at all times. Practice 7, pair programming. 2 people work at one computer. Practice 8, collective ownership. Anyone can improve any part of the code. Practice 9, continuous integration. Merge small changes many times a day. Practice 10, 40-hour week. Avoid burnout and keep quality high. Practice 11, on-site customer. A real user is with the team to answer questions. Practice 12, coding standards. Everyone writes code in the same style. To summarize, XP is a team-focused way of building software in small steps with constant feedback, testing, and clean code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.